What a lovely pear.
Thank you.
Hello, welcome to Get Gardening. I'm Thordis
And I'm Alan Gray.
and we've come into the Veg Garden at East Ruston Old Vicarage where there's some very impressive pears, Alan.
Well, we've got a couple of arches going over a cross path here, and we thought we'd train something over them that's not really vegetable but fruity, and so we've got these pears, and you can see what we're doing. We prune them, summer prune them, which they've had their summer pruning. They put some little bit more shoots on. They will be pruned back in the winter, but we're getting these lovely crops of pears. But as my granny used to say, you know, the best fruit is at the top of the tree. So let's go and have a look. There we are. You hold that. That's
Very
her
nice basket.
actually. Yes, it's her basket actually. Well, these pears, they're pretty much ripe.
But how do you tell?
You tell by the way they come off the tree, because they should come readily like that. So that I don't want them to be too easy, because if they're too easy you get a high wind and they'll drop and you'll lose them all. But if you try and eat these today, these are dessert pears. I don't know the variety, it's an old variety. If you try and eat them straight from the tree, they'll be rather tough and a bit tasteless. But if you take them gently, so you don't bruise them, pick them, take them into the house, leave them for about a week. Now that's something to watch out for. Look, that's been damaged by, can you see that? That's been damaged by wasps, and the wasps have got in there and the rot has set in. You don't want that one, so put him down there. And we'll go for something better. Here we are, look at this.
It's interesting watching you pick them. It's a little gentle twisting action.
It's exactly that, that's all it is. Leave them in the house, keep a watch on them, leave them for about 4 or 5 days, then watch them, and you can actually feel the flesh go slightly softer. When the skins go slightly soft, they're ready for eating. And they're absolutely delicious. I picked a few of these about a week ago and we finished them yesterday. So it's well worth doing.
How easy is it to train pears like this over an arch?
Well, it's like any form of fruit training, you know. It's as easy as you want it to be. If you read books, they'll tell you to leave so many buds and all the rest of it. And I'll tell you what an old gentleman told me, shall I? He said in a Norfolk accent, which I'll try and do, he said, "Them there apples, boy, you want to just go over them with the shares. And if you go over them with the shares in August, and you do the same thing in the middle of the winter, you'll get a great crop."